I can't have that toy today.
We gotta talk about it in a minute here. We'll figure it out. I gotta try to get that computer working. So I made this up earlier. I thought it was weird. Meet a young boy, all he did was slave and toil. They kinda kept him up back, didn't do too much schooling. He could work all day and he could work half the night. He could do things that other kids sure couldn't do. They kept him away, oh, they kept him away. Not really of any fault of anybody's, it just happened. The 12 turns to 20 years old. Now he's coming to your home. Whether or not you like it, some things went down and he smashed a man beside his head, and he wound up stuck in prison for about 25 years. And they locked him in with a deadbolt. There's only one key, though. You couldn't even make one if you tried. They left him in to die, though. No one cares when you're up inside, though. Sometimes he cried. Probably most times he cried. 25 years seem to go like nothing. Now he's out, he's got his stuff in his bag. They give him a bus trip, and they tell you, good luck, kid. Never works out that way, I don't find. So he walked, hell he walked, he ain't got no place else to go. He's supposed to check in with that fool. What the hell good is that for? So I guess he's running, but now he's running, but he's taken to the woods. And I swear to you as I sit here that he met a little lady out there. She seemed to be alone, found. Wasn't sure what he'd found. But after a while it began to work. And they made a little shed home. And then they added on to that. They had a nice thing going. So he took everything from his past life that he could think of. He even put weird shit in there, like his thoughts on pages. Then he locked it with a deadbolt, threw it into the river, watched it sink and watched it float down. I bet you thought he was gonna kill her, didn't you, you sick bastard?